I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming connectivity because a flaky network is the most common culprit. Once online status is verified, restart your phone or computer and the router to clear transient errors. Make sure to clear the Google App Cache or your browser cache and cookies so stale data doesn't block authentication. These steps force fresh connections and reset temporary settings, so they often resolve search or sign-in failures quickly. Now you're ready to move into targeted fixes. Next, focus on account and system configuration, because authentication and updates are common failure points. You should sign into your Google account in a browser to check for security prompts or suspended notices, and confirm two-step verification isn't blocking access. Then update the Google app or your browser. Outdated clients fail to connect reliably. Also inspect system date/time, DNS entries, and temporarily disable VPN or proxy. These interfere. Finish by reinstalling the Google app or using an alternate browser to isolate the problem to one client. If that fails, reset network settings on your device or temporarily set DNS to 8. 8 to bypass ISP resolution issues. This often restores access. Make sure to test in safe mode to rule out third-party apps. If things still go wrong, note exact error messages and timestamps so you can escalate to support efficiently. This detail speeds resolution and avoids repeated troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.